Hey everyone, welcome back. Scene 1, at the restaurant. In this video, we're going to practice English for a restaurant conversation. You'll learn how to greet the waiter, order food, ask questions about the menu, make special requests, and pay the bill. Repeat the sentences after me, and imagine yourself sitting in a real restaurant. Let's begin. Good evening. How many people are with you? Good evening. Just one, please. Would you like a table near the window or inside the hall? Near the window, please. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'll have a glass of water and a mango juice. Do you need a few minutes to decide on your order? Yes, please. I'll look at the menu first. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'd like to start with tomato soup. And for your main course? I'll have grilled chicken with rice. Would you like any side dishes? Yes, please bring some French fries. How spicy would you like your food? Mild, medium, or hot? Medium spicy, please. Would you like some bread with your meal? Yes, garlic bread would be nice. What kind of drink would you prefer with your meal? A glass of lemonade, please. Do you want still water or sparkling water? Still water, please. Would you like to try today's special dish? Not today, thank you. I'll just stick to my order. Do you have any food allergies I should know about? How is your soup? It's very tasty, thank you. Do you need some extra napkins? Yes, that would be helpful. Would you like some ketchup or sauce with your fries? Yes, please give me some tomato ketchup. How is your chicken? It's cooked perfectly. I like it. Do you want me to bring more bread? Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts. Please make sure my food doesn't contain any. No problem. I'll inform the chef. Would you like dessert later? Yes, I'll decide after. Again. Thank you. The food was great. I'll definitely come back. Scene 2, at the airport/travel. Small blue diamond at the check-in counter. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket? Good morning. Here's my passport and e-ticket. Where are you flying today? I'm flying to London. Do you have any check-in luggage? Yes, I have one suitcase. Could you please place your bag on the scale? Sure, here it is. Your bag is 22 kilos. That's fine. Thank you. Do you have any carry-on bags? Yes, just this backpack. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. Here's your boarding pass. Boarding starts at 9:30 at gate 12. Thank you very much. Please put your phone, wallet, and laptop in the tray. Okay, here you go. Do you have any liquids in your bag? No, I don't. Please walk through the scanner. Sure. You're clear. Have a nice flight. Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit? I'm visiting for business. How long will you stay? I'll stay for 2 weeks. Where will you be staying? I'll be staying at the Hilton Hotel in central London. Do you have a return ticket? Yes, I do. Here it is. Alright, enjoy your stay. Thank you. Attention passengers, Flight 305 to London is delayed by 30 minutes. Excuse me, what time will boarding start now? Boarding will begin at 10 a.m. Okay, thank you for the update. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, please sit here. Boarding pass, please. Here it is. You too, safe travels. Thanks, goodbye.